Hello, class. Today we're going to be working with the subject of grammar, right? We're going to be working with identifying adverbs and verbs that they describe. Use adverbs and articles in writing and speaking. All right. So we are going to use adverbs and articles in writing and speaking. We will need a pencil, your ELA notebook, and handout from your reader's notebook. The essential question is, how can you identify an adverb in a sentence? How can you identify an adverb in a sentence? All right. So here's a video that you can use to practice and review what is an adverb. Okay. And mainly adverbs are words that tell something about the verb, including how, when, where, to what extent. Adverbs can appear before or after the verbs that they describe. An adverb that tells how usually ends with ly. Adverbs can be used at the beginning, middle, and end of the sentence. Let's see an example. We got Poppy quietly sits by Anna's desk, which is the verb sits, right? What word tells you something about sits? How Poppy sits? She sits quietly, right? So in the second one, you have Poppy sits quietly by Anna's desk. Now the adverb is in the middle, right? Then it says Poppy sits by Anna's desk quietly. Where's the adverb? At the end of the sentence, quietly, right? As we said, answering this question, which is the verb in these sentences, sits, which is the adverb, quietly. Okay. What word tells or define how does Poppy sit? She sits quietly. That is the adverb. So quietly tells how Poppy sits. Quietly is the adverb. Okay, we're going to identify the verb and the adverb in each sentence. Anna speaks softly to Poppy. Anna speaks softly to Poppy. Which is the verb, the action? What Anna does? She speaks, right? And we can ask ourselves how Anna speaks. She speaks softly, right? Next one, Poppy and Anna work hard on their report. What Poppy and Anna do? They work. How they work is going to be the adverb. She worked hard. We got Anna arrived home safely after school. What Anna does? She arrived. How she arrived? She arrived safely. Poppy carries her books securely. That's a verb. Carries, right? And the adverb securely. Nora carefully lifts her lid of the hot dish. What Nora do? She lifts the lid, right? How she do it? She do it carefully. Okay, here we have the answers. Excellent. So we got some types of adverbs. Adverbs of frequency can tell how often an action happens. An adverb of intensity can tell how much or to what degree an action happens. Identify the verb. An adverb tells how often. My brother usually wakes at 6 a.m. Which word is the verb? Brother wakes, right? Each word is the adverb. Each word tells how often or how much. Brother usually wakes up, right? So we got to practice here where we need to identify the verb and the adverb. And we already reviewed this. So we have here an example. Yesterday we played happily indoors. It says the verb in each sentence is underlined. Write the adverb. They want us to write the adverb of this line. Then write whether it tells how, when, or where. Okay, so it rained heavily. Rain is the verb, which is the adverb. How it rained heavily, right? So we're gonna write here heavily. Okay. Now it's asking us to tell if it answers how, when, or where. How it rained. Yeah, it answers how. So I'm gonna put it here. How. Okay. Excellent. So you try the rest. Okay. When you finish, you go to the second part. It says underline each adverb. Write the verb it describes. So we're going to underline the adverb and write the verb. Someday our cat will learn how to behave, which is the verb. It will be will learn. Okay. And which is the adverb. Someday, because tell us when. Someday. I'm gonna write here. Someday. Okay, guys. So when you finish, let me know. You raise your hand, and then we will verify the answers. All right. Thank you for your participation. I see you next week.